was raised down in Louisiana, down on the Black Bayou. Well, we like our swamps and alligators, love our crawfish too. Got that filet gumbo running through our veins. It's our feet dancing.
Looks like we got some small pigs. Let's go see how
we love to hear that Cajun music down at the Fado door, dancing with our sweethearts and just letting the good times roll. We know it's God first and then our family and friends. It's kind of hard to explain. It's just a Louisiana thing.
This trap here, guys, I don't know if y'all have ever seen us catch in this trap. This is actually a trap. We caught 32 pigs. Probably our biggest catch was in this trap right here. But this year I hadn't caught in it yet. Come see, I want to show you the tracks on the road. So we got a good chance tonight. Look at here. That's a little bitty piglet. Zoom up on this. I mean, that thing's small. We're gonna put that in the barbecue pit whole if we catch that one. That pig's probably this big. So look right here, here's the mama pig. That's the sow. So we got a sow with probably, it looks like 3 piglets. The mama's probably, looking at that track right there, the mama's probably 110 pounds. And the piglets, they look to be, they might be 15 pounds. They're pretty small. And those will be delicious on the pit. So y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll be catching pigs in this trap right here. Let's go set it. Okay, with all the tracks here, it looks real promising. I'm gonna go ahead and set a camera up. That way we can maybe get some footage of them coming in. Let's go do that. All right, so I think I have it in a good spot. We might be able to catch them hitting the trigger. That would be pretty cool, hitting the trigger and the door going down. I think we could catch all that footage. One more trap, let's go get it. All right guys, before we get back to the pig trapping, I'd like to thank Dry Code for the awesome boots. Between my bow hunting, the pig trapping, the duck hunting, and the fishing, they got me covered for all season. I'm gonna leave their link in the description. Y'all go check out their website. Love their boots. Thanks again, Dry Code. Now let's get back to the pig trapping. All right, we're about to pull up on a whole trap right here. Let's see if we got any pigs. Oh, the door's down. I see the little pig. All right, looks like we got some small pigs. Let's go see how many we got. We got some piglets. How many do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted 7 that time. All right, looks like we got a few pigs. You can't see them with the brush in here. Looks like we got 7 pigs, all young pigs. The mama might have got out. I have a camera on this trap, so we might be able to see if she got out, if she ever went in. Little suckling pigs. They're gonna be real good eating. We'll put these on the pit. All right, let's go ahead and take care of these. That's 7 pigs. Like I said, some young pigs. Let's go pull the camera off the tree. Let's see if we got any footage. All right, we gotta pull the camera. Get back to the camp, I'm gonna check the cord. I wanna see if they hit the trigger, if the door fell. It's pretty cool if we could see them hitting the trigger. Also, we wanna find out if the mama was with the babies. If she went in, maybe jumped out. She might have walked around the cage, maybe never went in, so we'll see if we can get the footage of that. So y'all stay tuned. Get them out the sun, get them washed. Well, look at the butterflies. Look at the butterflies, how pretty that is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, had we not taken these small ones and just let them go, or somebody's like, why'd you shoot those little pigs? These 7 pigs could have turned into 300 pigs by next year at this time, easy. So we have to take them out. We have to kill 75% of the herd, they say, just to keep it at even. So we're doing our job in this area. Pretty meat. It's not even red. Okay, we're in the outdoor kitchen. We're preparing this little pig to barbecue. I mean, this pig is like perfect size. We're gonna go ahead and season it. I'm gonna put a little Cajun Power garlic sauce on the outside, some K-Fred seasoning. We're gonna put some bacon, wrap it in bacon. Okay, the first step, we're gonna take a fork, just a regular fork. We're gonna tenderize this meat. Just make some holes in the leg, down the back. That way we're gonna put the seasoning on there. We're gonna want it to penetrate. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some of this Cajun Power garlic sauce, and we're gonna pat it down with this. Then we're gonna come back and put the K-Fred on it. So we'll take a little bit of the sauce. Just rub it on the pig. Okay, next step, we're gonna put the K-Fred. We're gonna turn it over and do the same thing on this side. We're going to take this bacon, just cover it like that. All right, we'll just kind of pat this in. Okay, we got the bacon wrap on it. Man, look how pretty that looks. It's gonna keep it real moist while it's on the pit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and light the pit. I'm gonna use this propane burner. This will light the coals. You're not gonna have no lighter fluid taste. Let's go ahead and get it going. Y'all watch this. Okay, now that the coals are lit, I think I'm gonna push some of the coast to the left, leave the middle kind of empty. We'll put the pig right in the middle. We'll put it on a little aluminum foil. We'll let it go for a couple hours, and I think that's going to probably do it. Okay, we're going to put some aluminum foil right in the middle of the pit. Okay, look at this pig, how pretty. Small pig, it's going to be delicious. We're going to put it right in the middle on top of the foil. It's going to get plenty of smoke from the side. Not really a direct heat. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, we have it here. Close the pit. I'm gonna leave it on there probably. I'll check it in 30-40 minutes just to see how it's looking. I think it's gonna be good. All right, let's see how it's coming. Looking good. Neighbors and friends.
Au bout de mon chemin,
You can add some bacon to these pork and beans.
Je connais, y'a tant qu'arriver. Ça d'ici, toujours peut espérer. Je suis d'accord de te pardonner. Parce que je peux pas t'oublier. Et c'est toi qui voulais me séparer. Ça d'ici, toujours peut-être.